Hi, my name is Tim Schoenberg from North Pole, Alaska, and I'm the founder of Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to utilize special order, in which you take a couple of photos of that broken part, faucet, sink, whatever that might be, send it off to multiple vendors, find out if they have that product in stock. That way you don't have to drive all around town. Okay, we're back at our job site here. We're back at the Taylor house, and we're trying to get a couple things taken care of. And the Taylors got in touch with me and said, "Look, can you help me on a broken faucet that they have?" So as a result, I'm going to end up having to make a special order. I went ahead and selected the contact. I'm sitting here at the Taylor house, so there's my contact information. And then it comes time for me to actually select what the problem is, and if we have a problem faucet sitting in the shower. So I went ahead and pre-did some of this information, but I typed in the faucet, and it's a Delta faucet and what have you. And it comes time for me to add the photo. So I had taken a couple of photos of the broken faucet, and I wanted to make sure that I got everything in on the faucet, specifically the kind of detail that faucet is. Now, at this point, I need to send it to Max Building Supply, because they're just right down the road, and I know they have it, I just don't remember what the price is. So we're going to go ahead and send that off to them. And I send that to my contact at Max. And then once we're done, Max should go ahead and give us the information back, tell us where we're at. A couple of things why we're here. One of the things we do with Workshop here is I want to make sure that we have all the information available to us. And a lot of times when you're dealing with applications, you have to step out of that application in order to do calculations to figure out your square footage, how much paint you may need, how much concrete you may need. Well, not anymore. We're going to have that calculator sitting right there for you. You can do your calculations and get right back into what you need to be completed. Also end up having the ability to list your contact. You see a lot of autofill of information, and as a result, you enter this information in once and you're done. All that information, when it comes time, is autofilled into your quotes, your pickup orders and your delivery orders, and any kind of special orders you may need. Here's all your, some of your contacts for your store vendors, your payment options, and how you're going to end up filling those information in those screens you fill out. But once you're done, you're done. A lot of this is to save time, save money, and a lot less repetition on data input that you don't really need. And even in our help screen, it'll give you details on how to do the functions inside this application, so that if you ever get confused or forget how it's taken care of, you go to the helps menu and it'll actually take care of it for you. Let's see if we actually got any information back from Max. I had contacted Max a little bit earlier on another order. Yeah, there it is. Max, come in. Let's see what he has to say. And it tells me, from Max says, "Yes, Tim, we do have it in stock. It's $55. And guess what? We're moving up pretty well here, because as a result of how easy it is to work with me using Workshop, he actually lowered that price and gave me the best price in town, actually $49.95. And then he asked me whether or not he wants me to have it picked up or delivered. So I can actually have it sitting there waiting for me just to swing by, pick it up, or in this case, today, because I've got those decks to take care of, I'm just going to have him deliver it. Send that email off, and I can get back to to my project and get those decks built. And by the time I get the deck built, what have you, that faucet will already be sitting there waiting for me to take care of it. We're going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a whole lot of frustration. What I'd like you to do now is go to iTunes, type in the words workshop, and download it today. Thank you.